Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a photo editing app with Adobe Photoshop. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, launch Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Create a new document by selecting File and then New. Choose the desired dimensions for your app's interface. Set a resolution of 72 dpi for screen display. Pick a background color that suits your app's aesthetic. Use the rectangle tool to create the main layout. Draw the canvas to your desired size within the document. Next, add a toolbar on the left side using rectangles. Include icons for tools like crop, brush, and eraser. Use the custom shape tool to create these icons. Import graphics for each tool from the internet if necessary. Align the icons vertically within the toolbar. Add a toolbar header to label it clearly. Now, let's create a workspace for photo editing. Use the rectangle tool to create a larger section on this area will serve as the image editing zone. Import a sample photo by selecting File and then Place Embedded. Scale the image to fit within the editing zone. Add adjustment layers for brightness, contrast, and color. Look for these options in the Layers panel. Create buttons for features such as Save and Undo. Draw rectangles for each button and add text labels. Align these buttons at the bottom of the interface. Use layer styles to add shadows and effects for depth. Optimize the overall color scheme for ease of use. Test your interface by previewing it in full screen. Make adjustments as necessary for clarity and usability. Finally, save your project by selecting File and then Save As. Choose your preferred file format and name your project accordingly. You're now ready to develop your photo editing app concept in Photoshop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.